Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the corrected endurance limit. Now friends, see, here we have to get familiar with the two terms, that is the SE dash and SE, before discussing the corrected endurance limit. Here SE is the endurance limit of ideal specimen that was obtained from the rotating beam specimen test, and SE is the endurance limit of the component that is used in actual practice. Okay friends, so this is the actual endurance limit and this is the ideal endurance limit. So we have to establish the relation between these two. Now see friend, we know that the endurance limit of actual component, that is the endurance limit of actual component in actual condition, is not equal to the endurance limit of the ideal specimen. Endurance limit of ideal specimen. Okay, and this is due to the certain factors such as the size factor, which is denoted by Ks, because size of the actual component is different from the size of the ideal component. Next is the surface finish factor, which is denoted by Ka, because the surface finish in case of ideal specimen is not equal to the surface finish in case of actual component. And next is the reliability factor, which is denoted by Kr, because the reliability of ideal component is not same as the reliability of the actual component. Another one is the stress concentration factor, denoted by Kd, as there is always a stress concentration in case of the actual component and there is very small and negligible stress concentration in case of ideal component. And another is load factor, denoted by Kl, because the loading in case of ideal specimen is different and in actual specimen the loading is different. So we have to here establish a relationship between the endurance limit of actual condition to the endurance limit in ideal condition. So how we will achieve that? Okay, so let us see this. We will multiply all these factors with the SE dash to achieve that. Ks, Ka, Kr, Kd, Kl into SE dash, where SE dash is the endurance limit of ideal specimen and SE is the endurance limit of the actual component. So this endurance limit SE dash of the actual component is actually called as the corrected endurance limit. This is the corrected endurance limit. So we can see that the corrected endurance limit can be found out in terms of the endurance limit of the material which is obtained from the fatigue testing machine using rotating beam test. So this was all for this topic. So friends, if you like my video, or you can subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching the video.